Hi there, welcome back to the PWR video series. Today we're talking about power steering pumps with Mike. Mike, what's the latest from PWR?
PWR is introducing a new product called PXR.
Wait a minute, PXR?
PXR.
Okay.
PXR is a suffix that we add at the end of a pump number. So here's a pump number. The P means pulley.
Okay.
The XR means external reservoir. So here you have your pump.
Right.
With an external reservoir.
So not all connected.
Not all connected.
Okay.
So for applications that use an external reservoir, many vehicles today do.
Right.
At the bottom of the reservoir, there's a fine mesh. We've cut this one open to show you, but the only access point is here. Okay. It's almost impossible to clean the mesh properly.
Right. What happens if you don't get it clean?
Well, there's contaminants that are trapped there.
Okay.
So now you're putting a brand new component and you're leaving contaminants in the system. It's going to ruin the system.
Okay. All right.
So the idea is by including the reservoir, it saves the installer time and energy, and it makes for a better job. You flush your system, and now you've got a complete system that's brand new.
You save time, you guarantee a good job.
That's it.
Wow. There you have it from PWR. You guys really think inside the box, don't you?
Sometimes we do. Thanks for watching our PWR Steer video series, and please check out our other videos. And remember, our products are 100% new, 100% tested, engineered in Memphis, Tennessee.